Good morning, Pramesh. Why attendance is so poor after even 5 minutes? Okay, so we will not wait for the students whomsoever is right now in the session. We give value to them and start. Okay, so quickly let me know what was our discussion in the last session. Am I audible? Anyone? Quickly let me know. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much. Yes. So will you please let us know what was our discussion in last session, if possible?
सर वो वायरलेस और वाईफाई वाला किया था वो टॉपिक।
Okay. Okay. Have we discussed anything related to the networking? Are you in a position to recall?
सर वाईफाई का एग्जांपल और वो सब हमने कर लिया था। वायरलेस
Okay.
वायर
Hmm.
वाला।
Okay. So now we were discussing about the key digital networking technologies. If you remember the first point, the first slide of it, we discussed about the client and server technology. Client and server. So we as a client, I have given you the example of our own live session, that's Google Classroom. So we are as a client, and Google Meet server is the server who is providing us this particular connectivity to conduct this session. Clear? So client and server technology, and further other things required into it. Now next thing is called the packet switching, very much important thing in networking. How exactly our information transmit or transfer from one source to the other. So packet switching is the method of slicing, that means dividing your information into various unique pieces. Please remember my word, various unique pieces. So I'm saying unique, that means all the slices, all the divisions, जितने भी आप टुकड़े कर रहे हैं अपने मैसेज के या इंफॉर्मेशन के, they will be codified in a particular manner. And there is another device who will rearrange it again with the same particular kind of coding. Clear? जैसे you can recall the days, I think 4-5 years back, और आपने तो खैर देखा नहीं होगा उस टाइम पे, अगर 2005-6 के आसपास अगर आपको याद हो, कभी छोटे रहे हो, आपने देखे हो उस टाइम पे मोबाइल्स, तो उस टाइम पे अगर आपको एक फोटो भेजते थे तो एक फोटो पीसेस में आता था. पीसेस इन द सेंस बॉक्स बन जाएगा, फिर कभी नोज आएगा, तो कभी हेड आएगा, तो कभी आईज आएगी. Gradually the complete photo will emerge. Anyone in the session right now who has certain kind of experience? अब उतनी सिचुएशन ऐसा सच नहीं आती है, अब तो डायरेक्ट क्योंकि स्पीड सब बढ़ गई है. किसी को याद है क्या सेशन में जो हो जिसने कभी ऐसे एक्सपीरियंसेस लिए हो, देखे हो? चलिए, श्वेता मिश्रा जी ने देखे हैं, गुड. ओके, एक ही पर्सन है, नो इशू. So this is the one example actually, am I right? In which the information, that means you can observe it, how the pieces or the packets are coming on from various routes. That's the one example through which you can understand. Now, so the method of slicing digital message, so it's divide your message into various parts, into a parcel or a packets, generally called as a packets, sending packets along different communication paths. So that means you can decide how many routes you can adopt to send this information from sender to the receiver end. Now think how many routes are available from your house to Marwadi University and return from Marwadi to your house. So you can see the physically, you can go to Madhapur Chowkri, then there are 3 to 4 different lines. Forget about the distance for a time being. Just think about the routes. So you will find different kind of routes are available to reach to your house. This thing is clear. For a time being, just forget about the distance. Is it clear? Think about like you are going to Morbi, then Morbi to somewhere else, then to somewhere else again to the Rajkot, other route, and then you are reaching. For a time being, just forget about the distance. Imagine you are just looking or tracing out the routes. So you will find n number of routes to reach to your house. Now, imagine that you are having the lightning speed. Lightning in the sense, just by thinking, like you close your eyes and just think about the Marwadi University class, immediately you will visualize easily. So imagine in that form. So let's say the distance is also covered in the 0 minutes or in a no time. Actually, the things are transmitted in the same form. We will see in the coming slide how the fiber optics cable transmit the data from one source to the destination or the other source. जो लाइट्स की स्पीड होती है लाखों किलोमीटर्स पर सेकेंड्स, उस स्पीड से आप ये डेटा आपका ट्रांसमिट करता है. तो फिजिकल डिस्टेंस में अर्थ पर कोई ऐसा इतना डिस्टेंस नहीं है कि हमको परेशानी होने वाली बात हो. So you can decide n number of routes. So path as they become available, so you decide which routes are having the less traffic, less data, and then reassemble packets at destination. So previous circuit switched. So in a previous circuit from where you are forwarding, switched network requires assembly of complete point-to-point circuit. That means there is a proper standard, you can say, TCP/IP protocol and all, through which it's managed. And the packet switching more efficient use of networks communications capability. Because whenever you are in a network, you are combined with so many other, you can say the networks, that time the packet switching is the crucial or essential thing. Now look into the picture and let me know what's your understanding based on the last slide. What's your observation? Anyone?
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Vita.
Sir, I can see that the data or message is breaking into three parts.
Okay.
Reach from one point to another point.
Okay.
Means reassembling. In the between, they are just what can I say? Break it into 1 to 3 part, and then reach into the finish.
So it's very simple. Whatever your information, the system, clear, is dividing into in a very unique part. Unique in the sense, I hope you can easily understand through the colors. I hope these colors in this particular image is visible. And they also have given the name. Packet 1, packet 2 and packet 3. And just observe the way it was at the sending stage, the same it is reassembled at the destination. Are you getting this point? It's the same. And the routes don't, it doesn't matter which is the closest distance. The thing is required only there will be less traffic. Traffic come ho, that's more than enough. Your agenda is only traffic because the speed is very high, very high. So fraction of seconds things will reach from the other corner of the world. So that doesn't matter for us about the distance. Only thing is required, the traffic on the particular route must be as minimum. So the advantage of it is that if you take all that entire data from one route, this particular route will become heavy traffic. So you and the other will also have disturbance, you can say, or a delay in the responses and all. But once you divide it, all three will free flow from one to the other and reassemble. Like when you go to the shopping mall, let's say you are going for a monthly grocery item buying. Obviously, you will have a more number of items. And let's say if you are visiting with your all four members, you, father, mother, and your sibling, brother, sister, jo bhi hai, and then you are carrying the multiple bag and one heavy bag. So if you try to bring all the items in one bigger bag, heavy bags, I don't think so it's possible or feasible as a family to hand over this bag to a single individual, let's say to you only, to carry it to house. It will become very difficult. Instead of it, if you divide all the items in a different bags, small bags, let's say you are 4 people, you are dividing into 8 different bags, easily all 4 people from your family can carry all different 8 bags, because now the work, the weights are distributed, whether equally or not, that doesn't matter, but weights are distributed, and easily you can carry till your you can say the vehicle, and then from there to house. And once you reach to your house, what you can do, you will just take all the items out from the bag and filter it as per their requirements or as per their storage capacity. So there are certain items belongs to kitchen. खाने पीने की जो चीजें होंगी वो कहाँ ले जाएंगे आप, किचन में. बाथ या बॉडी केयर से रिलेटेड हैं तो आप ले जाएंगे बॉर्डरूम में या ड्रेसिंग टेबल में, बाथरूम में, जहां पे भी आपने उन चीजों को रखा हुआ है. So accordingly you will rearrange those items. So that is the advantage of packet switching. Any doubt? Please let me know if you have any doubt. चलिए, कुछ लोगों को नहीं है, ठीक है भाई. So TCP and IP, again very important thing to understand. This stands for the, as we already discussed, the transmission control protocol or internet protocol. As per our previous discussions, I hope you are very well aware about the IP and IP address of your own mobile handsets. So this is called the certain rules and regulation. Like when we as a human communicate to each other, we try to have a unique, mutually understandable language. When it comes to the computer, we are communicating with anyone around the world, so will become very difficult to have a language understandable by these very people or the persons. So in computers we have its own standard or own language, and their own proper rules regulations. So whomsoever is in a network, everybody must have to follow those certain rules, then only you will be in a position to communicate to each other. So protocols or rules regulations, rules that govern transmission of information between 2 points, sender, receiver. Transmission control protocol or internet protocol, so common worldwide, common, all, irrespective of your hardware device, irrespective of your software vendor. This particular rules will remain same. So common, worldwide, standard that is basis for internet connection. If you are willing to be on network, you have to follow that standard. So Department of Defense reference more model for TCP/IP, how they have created the layers. So they created application, transport, internet, and network interface. So application, whatever we are using, the support system, how exactly it must be reflect. Somebody is using a MacBook, somebody in Microsoft, somebody Android. So that layer that need to be available, make it visible, proper particular rule regulations. So it doesn't mean if you are using the other software or application, it will be a different. No, this will reflect same. Transport layer that will create, divide, slice your data, or you can say will think about how exactly you are going to transport. Then internet layer, so what kind of a internet facility, bridge between the different kind of a speed or a connections issues, and then transmit, and then the network interface. So the whatever networks you are following, that is in this way. So let's say system A want to communicate with B. So if A is want to communicate, first it will interact with application layer, the thing through which you are working. Let's say Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever you are having. These actually called the application softwares. So for that particular, how exactly you are dealing called application layer, then transport, then internet, then network. Once it reaches to the connectivity through the B, it will start working from network interface to network, then to internet, then transport, then application. Then it will make available or visible to the computer B. So for example, right now I'm using this presentation through my MacBook Air. I'm right, iOS application, Vodafone internet, clear, and through my mobile handset Wi-Fi internet connectivity, then transmit through the Wi-Fi hotspot, then wireless network. Then I am using those applications. I am as a client, Google as a server. You are also getting that unique link to have a connection, and then you are at your end. Able to see all those things available. This is actually the standard. If anyone is not following those standards, then it will not be a possible, you can say, to have a communication. Communication again means having the capacity to exchange of data. That will not be possible. Types of network. In these coming slides, we will discuss about how we are connected based on the geographical region, based on the restrictions, limitations, ownership, safety provisions. We divide this connectivity into various different, you can say, the division or to the names. So first thing is start from the signals. So the modem is called as a modular demodular. Like every device works in digital, but when we transmit the data transmits in a wave forms. So that's wave is called analog. We need to convert data from digital to analog, and then convert analog to digital, and then make available. These are all the types of network which we have to discuss in this modules. So whether it's a lane, metropolitan area network, wide area network, these are the actual basic three categories. Then you are having further subdivisions, campus area or a personal area. So first look at the modem. As we know, all the devices, digital devices, you can say, are transmitting the data in 0-1 form. But whenever we transmit the data is speed in a waves. So we use the wave-based transmission. So that's called analog. We required one device in between those who convert data from digital to analog through the various medium. Now, first one is the lane. Let me know, have you heard this word? Lane, ये नाम आपने कभी सुना है पहले? Okay. Any idea about it? आप क्या जानते हैं? अक्षय बेटा क्या जानते हो, कुछ बता पाओगे? जो भी जानते हो, सही होगा गलत होगा क्या होगा?
So I think it is a network area that connects the computers locally within a limited area, like in
Yes.
schools or colleges or universities.
Yes. Even you can get this hint from the name itself. how it is defining local and then area. So area I talked about earlier, that's the overall networks are identified or given the name on the basis of the various parameter. One of them is area. So local area network. So a network which connects various systems or a computer devices or other digital devices in a very definite defined boundaries. So maybe institutions, maybe a particular building, maybe a particular society, manufacturing unit, right, or a company's local connections. So these all things are the part of it. So the local area network could be a cluster again, a group of computers and associated devices. Associated devices means a printer, a scanner, various things are there. That share a standard communications line or a wireless link to a server. So centrally they are connected from one point, and that point is actually required because all the things are routed or connected or exchange the information because based on this central point or that central server. Am I right? So whether wire or the wireless. So typically a local area network encompasses computers and peripherals connected to a server. Like you can access, like we access here internet, Marwari exam portal, attendance portals, many things. Now, functions of a local area network. One is video transmission, audio transmission, other digital. Nowadays, everything is possible. You just convert it 0 and 1 form and make it available to the other end. So high speed, because it's local, obviously speed will become very high. So high speed LAN are capable of supporting video image and live video streaming. Even right now we are doing the same. Then, although we are not in a local area, then manufacturing support. So LAN can support manufacturing and industrial environment by connecting to all the participants or the people associated with the particular organizations and particular premises. Distributed processing, that means divisions of a work, division or separation or sharing. So LAN can support network operating system, NOS, which perform the operations of distributed processing. So distributed processing or distributed work is somewhere you can say, let's say you 5 people, roommates or a hostelite are thinking about the revision of MIS just before the main examinations. So they can save their time by dividing the units. One person, first unit, second person, third unit, second unit, third person, third unit, kind of, any kind of a combination. And then have a discussions to identify what is the difference in it. Now, look to those particular advantages and disadvantages of MIS very seriously, because the remaining networks follow the similar level of advantages and disadvantages. Even you can say the things which are advantageous at a higher level in LAN, gradually this capacity reduce or deteriorate. तो सबसे ज्यादा जो फीचर्स, बेनिफिट, सेफ्टी, सिक्योरिटी जो मिलती है वो किस में मिलती है? लेन में. एज सून यू ग्रो और स्प्रेड, देन these things goes down. I am not saying that they will not be there. ऐसा नहीं है कि समस्या होगी नहीं, बट वो क्या हो जाएगी? थोड़ी सी कम हो जाएगी. So ability to share hardware and software resources. hardware and software resources. For example, let's say you are having printer and that printer is costing to you rupees 50,000. Do you have the capacity to have such printers in everyone's cabin, everyone's desk? Obviously, it's not a good decision. So what you can do, you will take a printer, put it in a network, make it available at a, you can say, the major or a prime location, or where is the gathering, and then you can take the print from your system directly from that particular printer which we are talking about. So it will save your time, save your resources. Unnecessary, you need not to have the devices for each and every employee or person. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Yes, thank you. Then component and system evaluation are possible. So since you are in a closed network, you can assess how things are working by pinning the detail or pinning the overall performance, or in a distance place as well, you can monitor it. That's the beauty of LAN, not only the local area, that's the beauty of connectivity or in a network. Support for heterogeneous forms of hardware and software. So that means all the variety of hardware and software can put together, and it will become easy to exchange or share the information. It's not like that everybody must have the Windows operating system, then only it will work, or everyone must have the Mac, then only it will work. So there is no restriction, irrespective of the technological differences. It's very easy in a LAN to exchange the information. Even again, I am saying we are on network. I'm not saying it's a LAN. We are on network, although we are capable to exchange the information despite of various different components involved into it. Then access to others' LAN and WAN, that's also possible. I will discuss you in a next slide. Then private ownership. Since it's a LAN, the word local as well, it's suggesting. So you have your full control developed by you, utilized by you, benefit driven by you. You have your all the term, condition, requirements, everything. Then secure transfers of at high speed with low error rates. Since it's in a local area, small, so various advantages it have, and it will support for the high speed with low error. Then security, already discussed. LAN are always high level of security. Then the cost initially, cost is very tough, you can say, to categorize an advantage or disadvantage, because it's having both the features. So advantage is that once you are having the multiple one thing used by the multiple person, as I have given you the example in the first line, right, it will help you to reduce your costing. Instead of providing printers in everybody's cabin, you can use printer in a particular LAN, easily approachable area, and then from there everybody can take the print. So it's a one example how you can link your device through the net. So that will become one advantage. So in this way, when you go for the averaging of the expenditures, it will be very cheaper or a good. Last one was speed. In local area, speed always be very high. Look into it. Various LANs are there. They are connected through the router. Clear? Connected through the router, and then it's exchanging or sharing the information. So one LAN also connected with the other LAN through the network. जैसे आप देखते होंगे बैंक्स में क्या होता है, हर सिटी में मतलब इंडिया की हर सिटी में और हर सिटी की में मल्टीपल ब्रांचेस आपको मिलेंगी, बट दे ऑल आर कनेक्टेड टू द वन सर्वर, सेंट्रल सर्वर, right? Then only they are getting the benefit. Now disadvantages. So cables may break because it's a local. If something is happening, you have to own the responsibility, and since it's a local one, if any damages is happening, no one can be in a position to assess it, use it, or benefit from it, right? That's the one problem. File server may break. If the file server is going to be break, everybody is going to be suffered. कुछ दिन पहले अगर आपने देखा हो, निफ्टी के जो सर्वर हैं वो थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्ब किए थे, तो 4 से 5 घंटे ट्रेडिंग ही नहीं हुई थी। 4 से 5 घंटे ट्रेडिंग ही नहीं हुई, करोड़ ऑफ करोड़ के ट्रांजैक्शंस, करोड़ों रुपए का लॉस, बहुत कुछ हुआ। क्यों? क्योंकि सर्वर ही नहीं चल रहा था। अगेन ये नेटवर्क का भी इशू है, लेन में भी है। लेन में थोड़ा सा ज्यादा हो जाता है, बिकॉज इन अ लेन जनरली द लोकल पर्सन इज यूजिंग selected number of server, one or two only. So if they are breaking, the entire system will collapse. In bankings or the other agencies, those who are on a network, on internet and all, they always have the multiple servers. So if any server is going to be break, other server will have all the detail and you can use it. So you can say there are servers in pairs as well. Then need administrative time, since it's your own, a local one, particular organization ones. So obviously, who will own the responsibility? You have to own the responsibility. If something is happening to Google server, we don't bother about. हम क्या सोचेंगे? Google ठीक करेगा ना, उसका काम है कि उनका सर्वर नहीं चल रहा है। Something happening to the Marwadi, who is responsible? The whole soul Marwadi will responsible. Marwadi University IT department. They will have a huge pressure because they are the only one. No one else is going to help them. They have to maintain. Need administrative time. Expensive to install. Again, last में मैंने advantage में cost बोला था, यहाँ पे मैं बोल रहा हूँ differently. यहाँ पे भी cost आया, but at the initial stage, to first time establish it, that really a very costly affair, because you have to purchase the systems, you have to purchase landline, server, dedicated people or department, those who are going to manage it. So in that sense, it will be very expensive to install. But when it goes to the sum total, what is the costing with per employee and benefit you are driving, that's always be very high. Is it clear? Any doubt? One thing you can remember, that on next onwards, we will not have advantage and disadvantage, but all the advantage and disadvantage will be there. Advantages क्या होते जाएंगे? As soon we will move toward the next layer, the broader area, the advantages will goes down, disadvantages will go up. समझ में आया? ये होगा, एडवांटेजेस धीरे धीरे कम होते जाएंगे, डिसएडवांटेजेस या थ्रेट्स क्या होता जाएगा? बढ़ता जाएगा। जैसे हम लेन से मेन पे आते हैं, मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया, वाइड एरिया, तब ये जाके सिचुएशन बनेगा। क्लियर? So this is all about for the day. Thank you everyone. आप में से कौन था जिसने मैसेज किया था कि उसका अटेंडेंस का इशू है? अभी है क्या? किसी ने मुझे मैसेज किया था कि उसका अटेंडेंस का इशू है, अटेंडेंस रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रहा है। पार्थ, आपने किया था बेटा? किसने किया था? मैं थोड़ा सा 2 मिनट बात करना चाह रहा हूँ उससे, अगर वो हों यहाँ पे तो। अच्छा, मीत अभी आ रहे हैं और अटेंडेंस डाल के चले जाएंगे। मीत मेहता जी, देखता हूँ मैं भाई मीत जी का अटेंडेंस। राजदीप भी अभी आ रहे हैं और अटेंडेंस डाल देंगे। राजदीप, कितने टाइम से ज्वाइन किया बेटा तुमने सेशन?
हेलो सर, गुड मॉर्निंग।
हाँ, कब से ज्वाइन किए हो सेशन? कितने बजे ज्वाइन किया था?
सर एट 11।
अच्छा, अभी तुम्हारा थ्रू फिर से रीज्वाइन दिखा रहा था, इसलिए पूछा मैं।
नो नो सर।
ठीक है, मैं देखता हूँ। 3 इधर है, इस पे भी है, 33 पे है। तो पहला कमेंट था आपका 33, 41। 11 पे ज्वाइन किए थे तो आपने गुड मॉर्निंग वगैरह कोई विश नहीं किया था क्या?
नो सर।
ना तो चाहिए। देखिए, तेजस अभी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। तेजस जी, हाँ पार्थ, आपका अटेंडेंस का इशू है। अनम्यूट करके बात करेंगे।
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
Due to some medical emergency, I went for the hospital. So
हाँ
that's why.
हाँ, बताइए, तुम्हें क्या करूँ, बताओ।
मतलब
हाँ, मैं कैसे हेल्प कर सकता हूँ आपकी, बताइए। आप अभी ज्वाइन किए ना लास्ट में?
हाँ सर।
हाँ, थैंक यू बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, ज्वाइन करनी नहीं चाहिए। थोड़ा सा एथिक्स भी अपन रखते हैं ना,
हाँ तो कोई
थोड़ा
बात
सा।
नहीं सर।
हाँ, अपने खुद को ही रखना चाहिए, खुद को ही
ओके।
रखना चाहिए। मैं ऐसा नहीं कह रहा हूँ, मैं वैसे बोल रहा हूँ कि यार हम पूरा सेशन अटेंड नहीं किए, तो अब हम 5 मिनट में क्यों एंटर करें अटेंडेंस डालने के लिए? अपने भी एथिक्स
नहीं
रखिए, कोई
डालूंगा
बात
सर,
नहीं।
नहीं डालूंगा।
नहीं, कोई बात नहीं वाली बात ही बोल रहा हूँ मैं, जस्ट ऐसे ही बोल रहा हूँ कि ये
अरे
एक
सर मैं
अपना
नहीं डालूंगा अटेंडेंस, वैसा बोल रहा
हाँ हाँ, ठीक है बेटा, कोई बात नहीं।
हूँ। ओके, थैंक यू सर।
ओके, कोई नहीं, ओके ओके, बाय।